VigorACS 3 is DrayTek's network management system, which supports all DrayTek routers, access points, and switches, providing an integrated platform for configuration, monitoring, and management. It is also the core of the DrayTek SD-WAN solution to monitor, push configuration, and provision to the edge router. VigorACS 3 provides you with 7 features, including: first, the provisioning. You can group cloning or differentiate provision to your network, group, and clients. For example, you can clone login credentials or firewall rules to your selected group. Furthermore, you can do the firmware upgrade or profile apply to all the CPEs simultaneously. Second, the monitoring. With VigorACS 3's monitoring feature, you can centralize your CPE management with visibility from one single panel. It allows you to monitor logs, traffic, data usage, devices, groups, networks, and users. Once there's any disconnection happens, like a VPN drop with the ACS server, you will get the alarm notification to take action immediately. Third, the VPN wizard. You just need to click on the Create button and follow some simple steps. Then the wizard will do the rest. Fourth, scheduled maintenance. It offers you a tool to work on your network maintenance tasks, including configuration restore, firmware upgrade, device reboot, system password reset, and file manager. All the profiles you set up can be scheduled according to your timetable. Fifth, the statistics and reports. With the statistics feature, you can get network insights about devices, clients, and traffic over a specified period, which helps your IT manager to well monitor the traffic and to maintain the network operation. Its reports feature allows you to generate network-based reports about traffic, firmware version, device status, and more. Of course, you can add time scheduling and selected recipient groups to integrate the statistics and report generation. Sixth, the SD-WAN. It is a more intelligent cloud-first way to make complex routing schemes simple and intuitive. To auto-detect and select the optimum routing path or scheme, you can use its Auto VPN, VoIP optimization, application visibility, route policy, and so on. Seventh, the Hotspot Captive Portal. It can act as a captive portal server, which is an ideal hotspot solution for retail, restaurants, coffee shops, and hospitality to do Wi-Fi marketing. Come see VigorACS 3 and embrace the best-of-breed technology to build up your central management system.